Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I came across this project called Cortic AI, and honestly, I had to make a video about it because what they've built is actually different. Not different in the way every crypto project says that they're different. Actually different, let me show you. This is a website Cortic AI. Right away, you can see the vibe, clean and minimal. And the first thing it says, no team, no admin keys, and no control. Which, if you've been in crypto long enough, you know that's the dream because most protocols don't fail because the touch is bad. They fail because of people running them. So what they build is something called Cortic Brain, five most contract that run everything automatically every 24 hours. Let me break it down quick. One contract controls the token supply, one stabilizes the price, it literally buys and burns when the price drops, and one routes every single feed the moment it received, holds nothing. One is like the immune system, and the last one predicts the treasury future and plans accordingly. Five contracts, zero humans in between. So here we are to the website of the project. Cortic AI, named after the cerebral cortex and the seat of intelligence itself. Cortic AI is a fully autonomous protocol governed by five specialized AI intelligence. No team, no control, and no bias. Then this is a portfolio engine trained over 10 years of Bitcoin and Ethereum data. It automatically allocates capital, generates yield for the protocol, and it doesn't need new deposit to keep running. That's a big deal. And it is an AI identity of the protocol, post, sign, reports, and on-chain every spot. So you can literally go verify what the process did. So then the token is CTK now with whitelist and open across data from one. Every protocol is existence while built with a team in the center of it, someone to approve, someone to decide, and someone to trust. Cortic AI was built to estimate the eliminate the dependency of entirely, named after the cerebral cortex. Here we have more details of Cortic AI does differently, like a brain, not a business, supply that governance itself, logic is permanent, designed to for decades in community precisely. Look, I've seen a lot of projects and most of them have a team somewhere making decisions behind the scenes. Cortic AI literally removed that. The core is running it, and honestly, after everything that's happened in this space, that's the direction things don't need to go. So this is the best and profitable project. Here we have intelligence layer, other protocols replaced manual process with automatic, and Cortic AI replaced human judgment with intelligence. Five protocols read, live on-chain conditions, calculate the optimal response and execute with precisely no team could match. They have five protocols, 8 plus healthy factors, and 99% uptime sales. And the brain doesn't just protect, it grows. Cortic AI intelligence layers goes to beyond defense, ecosystem, continuously analyze on-chain volume, pattern and live price, seamless to the dynamic treasury decisions. What cannot happen here? The most important features are the ones of the protocol by one existing. No one chain can mint alone, no one can touch the treasury, no one fee can be redacted, and crisis can be hidden, and no inflation spiral can begin. Then Cortic AI Brain, protocol that puts capital to the work. You can check out the details of the token information, that this is a native token for Cortic AI and the asset that every protocol in the system is oriented to protect. No, through a team communities, through the on-chain mechanism that activates the moment they are needed and never ask for permission. So you can check out the details here of the Cortic AI, and then they have all details of Cortic AI. You can ask the protocol, and at last you have to stay in touch with the social channels if you want to get touch in the team. So you should definitely join the social channels. So here we are redirected to the Twitter link. You can simply follow them on Twitter to know more about the project and other details of the project. You can check the recent tweets of the project. You can check out the details of Cortic AI on Twitter. So it's better to join their social channels, so you can simply follow them on Twitter and Telegram group and other links to stay in touch with the team and other members of the project. And then this is a new project, so this is a best and profitable project, so you can check that, as this is already been trending, so you have to simply join the project. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access the project. I hope you enjoyed this video.